Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to be talking about what I use to take off my makeup. Now, not a lot of people realise this, but you can actually use oil to take off your makeup. Just use oil, a bit of oil, and then you rub it all over your skin, on your face, and then you can take a very hot cloth just under the hot water for a minute under your tap, wring that out, then place it over your face for like 5 seconds. It feels amazing, and then just rub it all, and it all comes off on a face cloth, on a washcloth, on a flannel as we call it here in the UK, and it's really easy and there's no waste, so it's good for the environment too. So I just wanted to share with you my recipe for what I use to take off my makeup. So here we have some tamanu oil. I love this brand, Fushi, because it's cold pressed and it's organic. So it's a really good brand. This one I got from the local health food store. This is castor oil. You can just use any kind of castor oil that you have. But I always recommend organic and cold pressed because it's going on your skin. And don't forget, guys, skin is the biggest organ that we have, so please take care of it. And lastly, some jojoba oil. So it's a really simple recipe. All it is 20% of this, 30% of this, and then 50% of this. Now, I'm actually almost out of this, so it's down to about here, so it's about 20% in the bottle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up halfway with my castor oil, and then the rest I'm going to fill up with my jojoba oil, and then I have it all ready to go in my bottle. So here we go. So as I said, it's just 20% of the tamanu oil. So that's already here in the bottle. So I'm going to fill it up to halfway. I can see a dark bottle, so half is about there. Now, castor oil is quite thick and it takes a while to pour out. So there we go, that's halfway. So just bear that in mind when you're putting together your recipes. It's really easy because all I have to do now is fill the rest from halfway to the top with my jojoba oil. Here we go. It's much thinner. You can see it pours in real easy. Okay, there we go. All the way to the top. Very nice. Okay, so there we are. It's done. So when you come to use it, if you take your hand and just put a little bit in your hand, just about this big, and then you just rub it together, put it all over your face, and then as I said, use a hot washcloth or a flannel, lay it over your skin, and just use it to wipe off your makeup for the day. And it's great for stage makeup as well, any kind of makeup. It just cuts through it. It's amazing. You might want to do it a couple of times because it just feels so good. Always follow up with a nice moisturizer as well. I've got a recipe for a moisturizer if you're interested in that. What I'm doing now is I'm just mixing the oils together. So just give them a little mix, make sure that they're all mixed together, leave it for about 24 hours, and then you're good to go. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. See you on the next video.